Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Segotep 750W power supply and the Corsair RM850e. Both of these power supplies are designed for the next generation of gaming, supporting the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards. We'll break down their features, efficiency ratings, and overall performance to see which one stands out in the crowded market of power supplies. Which are building a budget-friendly rig or a high-end gaming machine, understanding these options is crucial. Let's get started. When it comes to power output, the Segotep 750W provides a solid 750 watts, which is sufficient for most mid-range builds. However, the Corsair RM850e takes the lead with its higher 850 watts, offering more headroom for high-performance components and overclocking. This difference can be crucial for gamers and professionals who demand peak performance from their systems. Both power supplies boast impressive efficiency ratings, with the Segotep 750W achieving 80+ gold certification, ensuring around 91.8% efficiency under typical loads. The Corsair RM850e is also Cybernetics Gold certified, which is equivalent to 80+ gold, providing similar efficiency. This means both units will help save on electricity bills while delivering reliable power to your components. Warranty is an important aspect to consider when purchasing a power supply. The Segotep 750W comes with a 5-year warranty, which is decent for a budget option. In contrast, the Corsair RM850e offers a 7-year warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in its product's longevity and reliability. This longer warranty can provide peace of mind for users investing in a high-performance system. In conclusion, both the Segotep 750W and Corsair RM850e are excellent power supplies that cater to different needs. The Segotep offers great value for budget-conscious builders, while the Corsair provides higher wattage and a longer warranty for those seeking premium performance. Make sure to consider your specific requirements when choosing between these two options. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.